Yes. Let's continue with chapter number 7, congruence of triangle. Only 2 questions are left from exercise 7.2. So let's complete that. Then after that, we will start with the revision of any chapter. So in this, you have given the triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. This side BP is equal to BC. And this angle is 90. This side is equal to this side. So you have to write here triangle BCA. BCA is congruent to which triangle? Can you tell me which triangle should I write here to make them congruent?
Ma'am, BTA.
Yes,
Triangle BCA.
BTA. BCA, BTE. So you have to just write the name that we have written. Okay. Now the next figure is 8. This PQ so name of the triangle is QRS is congruent to which triangle? You have to write the name here. Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, PQT. PQT.
दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, PQT.
P नहीं आएगा बेटा, P नहीं आएगा. क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, TPQ.
T एक्चुअली देखो ना, आपने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है QRS. तो R जिस पे एंगल बन रहा है दैट इज इन सेंटर, तो P भी यहाँ सेंटर में आएगा. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर QR है जिसके ऊपर 1 लाइन है. यहाँ पे QR के साथ क्या आएगा? TP. तो यहाँ आएगा TPQ. Yes, Arshia, it's correct. You have to write the name. So name is TPR. ये देखो ना, ये साइड है QR. तो QR के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग क्या आएगा? TP. तो TPQ. ठीक है. This is the name. So these two triangles are congruent. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now let's start with question number 9. In question number 9, figures are given A, B, C, and in this P, Q, R. These figures are given. So in triangle ABC and PQR are to be congruent. Name one additional pair of corresponding part. What criteria did you use? So to make them congruent, which criteria you will use here to make them congruent? Yes, Ridhima, Arshia.
Ma'am, by ASA.
Yes, you can use ASA, or you can use, if you take this side, it will become angle side, and if you will take this side, it will become angle side angle. तो आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. आपने एक एडिशनल कंडीशन ले रहे हैं ना, तो मैं दोनों तरह से आंसर लिख देती हूँ. If BC is equal to QR, then triangle ABC is congruent to PQR by ASA. And if you will take side AB is equal to PQ, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAS. So you can take any of these, both are the correct ways. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? So last question of this chapter, then we will do extra questions. I will share some site from where we will discuss about very short questions of this chapter. Explain why triangle ABC is congruent to FED. Why these two triangles are congruent? Why these two triangles are congruent? Angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and side BC is equal to DE. So these two triangles are congruent by which congruency criteria? We have just discussed दो angles हैं, side उससे separate है. So these two triangles are congruent by AAS. अगर ये वाली side होती तो angle side angle, but side is separated, it is not included between the angle, so it is AAS. Note it down. And today your homework is question number 6 first part and question number 10. 6 का first part, question number 6 first part and question number 10 is your homework. Okay. So do these two parts in the fair notebook and we have completed with this chapter. Any doubt, anything you want to ask? So I want to share some questions with you so that we can discuss. Now let's start with the first question. In the given figure, the side opposite to vertex A. Yes, who will answer? Yes, Arush, Anmol, Akshita.
BC.
Yes, the side opposite to vertex A is BC. Yes, Anmol, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anmol, the vertex opposite A to AB की opposite कौन सी vertex है? Side, which vertex is opposite to side A? C, it's a C. Yes, Garvit, Guneet. The angle opposite to side AC. Yes, Garvit. Jalash, Jasleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache. The angle opposite to side AC.
Angle ABC.
Angle ABC, or you can simply write angle B. That is also correct. बच्चे हाफ नेम तब देते हैं जब बीच में पार्टीशन हो रहा हो. अभी सिंगल एंगल है, then you can write angle B. That is okay. The angle made by the side CB and CA. CB और CA में क्या कॉमन दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes, जानवी, खुशी, AB, सॉरी CB और CA में क्या कॉमन दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? जसलीन, क्या कॉमन है दोनों में?
मैम एंगल है.
एंगल C. तो जो दोनों में अल्फाबेट कॉमन है, दैट विल बी योर एंगल. तो एंगल C इज कॉमन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Angle C.
Okay, just read next question. Examine whether the given triangles are congruent or not. So three sides are given, 3, 4.5 and 3.5. So are these two triangles congruent? Are these two triangles congruent?
No.
Why? Don't look at the figure. Just check the dimensions. Yes, Rivya, Ridhima.
Yes, they are congruent.
Why? Why they are congruent?
Ma'am, because the sides are same.
Because the corresponding sides of triangle ABC are same as corresponding side of DEF. So these two triangles are congruent. Yes. Next question. Yes, Ridhima.
Congruent.
Yes, next question. In the given congruent triangles under ASA, it is written that these two triangles are congruent by ASA means angle, side, angle. Then find X and Y. Yes, Ridhima, what is the value of X here?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Anmol.
30 degrees.
Angle X.
30 degrees.
Very good, very good. It's 30 degree. Yes, Arshia, Y is
90 degree.
yes. How you have got 90 degree?
Ma'am, by angle sum property.
Yes, actually two angles are given. So missing angle P will be find out by using angle sum property. That the sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180. So angle P will be 90. So P and Y are same. You can check the name, beta. Wherever the name is written, PQR is congruent to STU. P के corresponding S है, Q के corresponding P है, R के corresponding U है. ठीक है? Now next question is, yes, who will answer? Khushi. Yes, Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Triangle PSQ is congruent to PSR. Show करना है. How they are congruent? Can you tell me how you can prove them as congruent?
By RHS proof.
Kindly tell the three things.
By RHS.
बेटा तीन चीजें तो बताओ. Which parts are equal?
PQ is equal to PR is equal to 6.5 centimeter.
Yes, very good. Second thing.
PS common.
Very good. PS equal to PS common.
Angle PSQ is equal to angle PSR 90 degree.
Yes, it's 90 degree. So triangle PSQ is congruent to PSR by RHS. Right? Hypotenuse side. Very good, Khushi. Very good. Yes, this is the question. Can two equilateral triangles always be congruent? Can two equilateral triangles always be congruent? Yes, Shreya. Yes, Arshia. Anyone who wants to give answer, just raise your hand.
Ma'am, two equilateral triangles can or not always be congruent because sometimes their measure can be different from the other angle. From the other
Angles can
triangle.
be same, but their length can be different. So they are not always congruent. They are always congruent नहीं होंगे तो क्या होंगे?
Similar.
Yes, they will be similar. Very good. मैंने बताया था ना कि all the circles are similar, all the squares are similar क्योंकि इनकी shape same है. But in case of congruency, they should have same size and same shape to be congruent. But इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल के केस में they can have equal angles but sides are not same, then we can say that they are not always congruent, they are similar. Very good बेटा. जलश ने दिया था ना आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
संचित, yes, very good बेटा. संचित, संचित,
Yes, ma'am.
answer
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next question. ट्रायंगल APS को कॉन्ग्रुएंट करना है BQR के. APS,
Ma'am, AP is equal to BQ.
yes, given.
PR is equal to QS.
नहीं, ये नहीं लेंगे बेटा. आप देखो ना, बड़े ट्रायंगल है P APS, तो PR तो उसकी साइड है ही नहीं. आपको RS दिखाई दे रहा है, तो बीच में पोर्शन लेफ्ट आउट है. आप PR और QS में दोनों तरफ RS ऐड करोगे. बच्चे ये जो सेकंड वाली चीज है ना, जहाँ पे लिखा है PR इज इक्वल टू QS, उसके अंदर आप दोनों साइड पे RS अगर ऐड कर देते हो तो वो आपका बन जाएगा PS इक्वल टू QR. PS इज इक्वल टू QR. तो ये आपका बेस आ गया. और तीसरी चीज
Okay.
कौन सी है संचित? थर्ड थिंग इज
Ma'am, PS is equal to अब आ जाएगा QR.
वो तो हो गया. एक और चीज भी तो चाहिए, दो साइड होगी, एक और भी तो चीज है.
APF is equal to BQR.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, 90 डिग्री. कैन यू
हाँ.
टेल द नेम ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी?
मैम SS रूल के साथ.
Yes, yes. Side, angle, side. Very good, Sanchit. Good tried. Well tried, beta. Next. Yes. Who will tell me the answer of this next question? Yes, Lakshay. The length of the two sides of the isosceles triangle are 5 and 8. Find the perimeter. अब इसमें ये नहीं बताया कि कौन सी साइड इक्वल है. अब देखो
Ma'am, can you repeat the question because your voice was cutting?
length of the two sides of isosceles triangle are 5 and 8. Find the perimeter.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that 5.
Actually बेटा, it is not given कि which side you will repeat here. तो आप एक बार 5 को 2 times लोगे तो बन जाएगा 5, 5 और 8 and perimeter is sum of all side. तो 5 plus 8 is 18 centimeter. And in the next step, what you will do in the second method, you will repeat 8 2 times. 5 will be same. 5 plus 8 is 21. So both can be the answer, either 18 or 21. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 9. You have to tell the name of the property by which these two triangles are congruent. Yes, Arshia, Shreya, Kushi, Guneet, Hardik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How these two triangles are congruent?
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle STU by SAS criteria.
Yes, very good. By angle, side angle. As it is clearly visible, दोनों साइड के बीच में एंगल इंक्लूड हो रहा है. एंगल, side is the property. Yes, next. Second part. Yes, Shreya, Khushi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle PQ is
हाँ जी.
congruent to triangle MNL by RHS criteria.
Yes. RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle is angle Q equal to angle N. PR is equal to ML, 5 centimeter, and base QR is equal to NL, 3 centimeter. Now, next question is, okay, read it out. Read it out, beta. I'm waiting. Please read it out. Everyone read it at least 2-3 times. Then you will be able to answer. Yes, Rivya. Himanshi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the solution LM is equals to ON.
Yes.
LN is equals to OM.
Yes.
MN is equals to NM. Hence, triangle LMN is equals to triangle ONM.
Congruent to. Congruent to. Why?
Congruent.
Reason. Reason behind this is. Yes, Arush. What's the reason? Yes, Kushi. Why these two triangles are congruent? She has told the exact reasoning, but name of the property she hasn't told. Yes, Arshia?
Ma'am, by SSS criteria.
Yes, yes. SSS is the simplest of all. That is triple S, side, side, side. Okay, start this. Read this question. Yes, everyone. Read this 12th question. Mitul, Samriddhi, Sanchit, Sanya, Tarun.
Ma'am, by SSS criteria.
Yes, beta. Tell all the things. Tell the equal
Ma'am, in the given triangle, PQ is equal to CB, PA is equal to CR, angle P is equal to angle C, and it is congruent.
No,
by
beta,
the,
no, wait. आपने बोला PA is equal to CR. But PA is not the side of the triangle. Have you noticed this thing? What you will
No,
do?
ma'am.
What you will do? We have done similar type of question earlier also. आपके यहाँ पास AR जो है वो कॉमन है दोनों ट्रायंगल में. तो आपने जहां बोला ना PA is equal to CR, उसकी दोनों साइड पे AR ऐड कर दो. उसकी दोनों साइड पे AR ऐड कर दो. तो PA में जब AR ऐड करोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? PR. और CR में जब AR ऐड कर दोगे क्या बन जाएगा? CA. तो that will be the base of the triangle. Sanya, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप जो कॉमन पोर्शन है AR उसको ऐड करोगे, that will give you PR is equal to CA. And third thing is P equal to angle C. Can you tell the name of the property?
Ma'am, by SSS.
By SAS, beta. Side, angle, side. By
Okay, ma'am.
side, angle, side, these two triangles are congruent. Yes. Who will tell the next question? Guneet, Hardik. Yes, Lakshay. Khushi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in triangle ABC and triangle EOD, AB is equal to OE, AC is equal to ED, and angle ABC is equal to angle EOD is equal to 90 degree.
Yes.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EOD by RHS.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, Khushi, can you read the next question?
Ma'am, screen ne dik. Yes, ma'am. if in the given figure PQ is parallel to RS and PQ is equal to RS, prove that triangle PUQ is equal to triangle SUR.
इक्वल की जगह यहाँ कॉन्ग्रेंट आएगा.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. How you will show this?
PQ is equal to RS is equal to 4 centimeter and
As the sides are parallel,
angle angle PUQ is equal to angle RUS
why?
and because they are vertically opposite.
Yes, yes, yes. One more thing we want.
Ma'am,
Angle Q is equal to angle R, alternate interior angle. If the lines are parallel and QR is a transversal, then we can say that angle Q is equal to angle R. Alternate interior angle. So can you tell the name of the property, how they are congruent?
ma'am, AAS.
Yes, yes, exactly. It's AAS. एक और भी हो सकता है ये क्वेश्चन, एक मेथड से और बता सकते हो? AAS की जगह ये क्वेश्चन एक और मेथड से भी हो रहा है. Yes, anyone else?
Ma'am, by ASA. SA.
हाँ जी, कैसे कैसे? How?
Ma'am, PQ is equal to SR is equal to 4 centimeter and angle UPQ is equal to USR
Yes.
and angle PQU is equal to angle SRU.
Yes.
Both are alternate interior angles
Yes.
and triangle PUQ is congruent to triangle SUR by ASA rule.
Yes. आपने बेस वाली लाइन ली है PQ और उसी बेस पे दो एंगल बन रहे हैं, P पे भी एंगल बन रहा है, Q पे भी. So that's why the name of the property is angle side angle. So both are the ways you can go for any of the method. Okay, beta. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Do this question. Yes, everyone try this question. Try this, hurry up.